Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off your monitor with a keyboard shortcut. First, we'll need a small tool called NurCMD. You can download it from the link in the description below. Once downloaded, place the NurCMD file anywhere on your computer where you can easily access it. Now, let's create a shortcut to turn off the monitor. Right-click on your desktop, go to New, and then select Shortcut. A window will open asking for the location of the item. Type in the full path to the NurCMD file you downloaded, followed by this command. Write single quote nurcmd.execmd 1000 monitor off. The simd wait 1000 part tells the program to wait 1 second before turning off the monitor. This slight delay prevents the screen from accidentally turning back on if you bump your mouse. Once you've typed that in, click Next. Give your shortcut a name like Turn Off Monitor, then click Finish. You should now see the shortcut on your desktop. To make this shortcut even easier to use, let's set a keyboard shortcut for it. Right-click on the shortcut, select Properties, and go to the Shortcut tab. In the Shortcut key field, press the combination you want to use. Once that's done, click Apply, and then OK. Now, anytime you press your chosen keyboard shortcut, your monitor will turn off. If you want to hide the shortcut from your desktop, right-click on it again, go to Properties, check the box that says Hidden, and apply the changes. The shortcut will still work, but it won't be visible on your desktop. And that's it. Now you have a quick and easy way to turn off your monitor with just a keyboard shortcut. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.